Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the wiper mechanism on Mercedes E-Class W212. The wiper mechanism is located just at the bottom of the window, at the bottom of the wiper arms, and it's located underneath this plastic panel. In order to get to the wiper mechanism, first we're going to remove the wiper arms and also this plastic panel underneath the wiper arms. We'll start by removing the wiper arms. The wiper arms are held by a nut that we need to remove, and then we'll just wiggle the wiper arm a little bit and it will release and we can remove it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove this plastic panel that's underneath the wiper arms. These are the plastic screws that we need to remove. There is some on this side as well. Now that this plastic panel is removed, we're just going to put it to the side. Next, we're going to remove this metal plate. It's held by this bolt, and then we can pull out this metal plate. Now we have access to the wiper mechanism. That's the wiper mechanism right there. It's held by 3 bolts. There is one right there, one in the middle, and one on the other side, right there. We also need to disconnect these electrical connectors. Now that the connectors are disconnected and the 3 bolts are removed, we can take out the wiper mechanism. Now we're going to put back the wiper mechanism. Assembling it is in exactly the reverse order. When we put the wiper mechanism in place, we're going to put on the 3 bolts and tighten them, and also connect the electrical connectors. Next, we're going to put this plastic panel back in its place. Afterwards, we're going to put on the wiper arms and tighten them. Make sure you put the wiper arms in their exact spot. After everything is assembled, just let the wipers run to see if everything is alright with them moving. If everything is alright, then we're done. Hopefully the video is helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.